It is so great to see you here at Jim's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be cooking up something very fun, and it's what I like to call comfort food. I'm going to be making something called grilled cheese sloppy joe casserole. So let's get sloppy tonight. Follow me. Grab yourself a yellow onion and start dicing. Start cooking those onions. And we're going to be cooking a pound of beef. Today we're going to be using this organic plant-based crumbles with our sloppy joe casserole. Grab some ketchup. We need 1 cup. Ooh. You need a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of mustard powder, a teaspoon of minced garlic, a little shake of black pepper. Spread a little butter on 12 slices of bread. I'm using potato bread today. Look at all these slices. Layer 6 slices, butter side down, on the bottom of a baking dish. Grab 2 cups of mozzarella and pour it on top of that bread. Grab that sloppy joe mix and pour it right on top of that casserole. Now we need 2 cups of cheddar cheese to put on top of that. This is a cheesy dish. I love it. The final 6 slices of bread go butter side up on the top. And you just throw this in your 400-degree oven for about 28 to 30 minutes. It's all done. Grilled cheese sloppy joe. I made it all sloppy for ya. Time for my sample. The cheese overflowing with cheesy goodness. The sauce of the sloppy joe has a nice sweetness. If I gave this grilled cheese sloppy joe casserole a rating out of 10, I think I'd give it a 9. I love sloppy joe and I love grilled cheese. If you want pure comfort in your belly, have a sloppy joe grilled cheese casserole. I appreciate you for joining me here on Jim's Kitchen, and if you want to see more comfort foods, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye. Why does my snake only eat burgers, hot dogs, and sloppy joes? Because my anaconda don't want none unless it's got buns, hun.